Good morning, guys. Oh, I'm so exhausted. It's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon, or in the noon, high noon. In any case, I made some tea, milk. Gotta bring some milk and sugar. I'm so tired. It looks like I inspired Ignacio to haul some leaves too. It's great, man. Because I'm too exhausted to do what I wanted today. I think I'm just gonna go over to Mossy if he's ready to hang out, chill out. Pretty sure the sun's gonna be high and there's gonna be no wind over there. Let's see. If I'm lucky, he's already out there chilling. Hey. Maybe. Check it out, guys. Naya and Ignacio, they're over there sweeping leaves together. And me, I'm just gonna start out with a break. Gonna sit here and chill in the sun with no wind because I'm inside. This is great. What a great start to the day. I'm exhausted, but I'm sure once I smoke a little bit, I'll be ready to go out and help. I'm listening to Man of No Ego. It's great music. I still have a huge ego. I wish I could do something about that. I don't know, maybe I need it. Maybe it's part of the mission. You know, maybe it's necessary for the mission, rather. I don't know. I'm definitely more humble than I used to be. hapa di Solarpunk yun kabuhin ko din ha. Check it out, guys. The pizza factory is starting. Shredded some cheese. I got these 3 pies ready. Go over and get some chili and oregano for the olive oil garlic sauce.